Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to customize your footer page in Shopify. So you head over to your footer. Then under footer you click on add block. Once you click on add block, you select the menu links, which is this. You click on it. Now you'll see the quick links has appeared on the footer section. So you click on menu. Then over here you see the footer menu. You click the drop down. Then you click on edit. Now you head over to menu item under footer menu. Then you label it as about us. You label it about us. Then you go to the links. Then go to pages. Then you select about us link, which is this. Then you add another menu item. Let's call this all products. All products. Then you go to the links and select products. Then you click all products. Let's add another item. This is for collection. So you can arrange this in any way you want. So these are my collection. So I'll say watches. Then I go to collection. Under link, you click on collection. Then select watches. Add another item. This will be shoes. Select shoe collection. Another item. This will be for rings. Then you go to collection, select the rings collection. Now you can see. So you save. Click on save. Now let's add the it's refreshing. You can see it. The quick links are all here. So let's add the social icon or the social links. So you head over to the theme settings. You click on theme settings. Then these are the social channels. So you go to your Facebook and copy your Facebook profile URL. Copy. Then go to Facebook and paste it on Facebook. Then for Instagram, you go to your Instagram profile, copy the URL of your Instagram. Then you paste it there. Okay. Now the next will be X, formerly Twitter. So you go to your Twitter or X account. You copy the URL as well of your Twitter or X. Then you paste it. Now let's go for YouTube. I'll use my YouTube channel. So here I will copy the YouTube channel URL as well. Then paste it. So you can see the social icons or social links is on the footer menu or the footer page. So let's save it. So once it's saved, we can now navigate to test it. Let's go on view, click on view. Now let's check if it's actually working. So let's click on all products. All products. So you can see the products. This is the products section of the products page. So let's click on watches. This is under collection. So you can see this is the watches collection or section. So let's click on the shoe collection. You can see the shoes. You can see the shoes. So let's click on the rings. You can see the rings collection. So it's working for the menu. That is the quick links. So let's check the social icon. Let's click on Facebook. This will take me to my Facebook profile. You can see that. You can see. So let's check the Instagram. Click on Instagram. This is my Instagram section, or Instagram page rather. Let's check YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. Let's check for my X. This is my X or formerly Twitter profile. All right. So you can see everything is working perfectly well. And this is it. You have just learned how to customize your footer page in Shopify. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching my videos.